To put a password on your Snapchat app, all you have to need to go to your Play Store and search for App Lock, and all you have to need to install this App Lock Pro app on your phone. Once the app installed, launch the app, tap on Get Started, and now you can select a lock type. I'm selecting 4-digit PIN and creating a 4-digit PIN. Create, retyping the PIN to confirm. And here you can enable biometric unlock option. So I'm just tapping on not right now, and here tap on permit and continue, allow. Let's do it. In this list, turn on App Lock Pro. Now tap on permit and continue, again allow permission, and we can see this app is now ready to use. So here we can see the unlocked section and the locked section. So this app automatically locked all your apps. So come to this locked section, and we have to unlock all apps one by one first of all. Now to lock Snapchat, go to unlocked section, scroll down and find out your Snapchat app, lock Snapchat. Once locked, now on whenever you try to open your Snapchat app, you have to verify the password.